Hello and welcome, dear viewers. You are watching channel 360 Bangla. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple calculator in PHP and also using some CSS and HTML. Let's start working. At first you have to go to our C drive of our computer and find our server folder. Here is worm server. I am using worm server. You may use XAMPP server as well. If you use XAMPP server, you will find here a folder named htdocs, but my folder name is www because I am using worm server. In this folder, www or htdocs, we have to at first you have to create a file name index.html. Completing our HTML work, we will convert the file extension into PHP. Okay, let's start working. Open the file in a text editor. I'm using Sublime Text here. As our file name is extension is HTML, so you have to write some syntax for HTML file. At first, doc type HTML. And then HTML okay. Our title is calculator. Okay. We are opening our work in a browser. And nothing is in the browser to show us. Our work title is calculator shown here. Let's go to work. Inside the body, at first I create a section tag, and I'm going to name it as I'm going to give it the ID name calculator widget. Calculator widget. Its name is calculator widget. Inside the section, I'm going to create a form. The form, inside the form, we have to take input. Input type is text, and its name is num, and num1. I mean number 1. We also give it a placeholder. And here is number 1. Okay, then I'm going to copy it for another input field, and here is name is number 2, I mean num2, and placeholder number 2. Okay. Let's go to browser and refresh it. There are two fields, number 1 and number 2. We need to take a button and also an operator here. In the between two field, we're going to create a select option. Select. I'm going to name it as operator. And beside the operator, I'll create several options. Here I'm going to give an operator name plus operator, and copy it and paste for 3 more times. Plus, and second option is minus, and third one is, and fourth one is divide. Okay, again, what is the browser showing us is a function here, name plus minus, etc, etc. Okay, they are all in one line. I'm going to show them in 3 lines, so I will put here a break tag, and also here break tag. We need a button. Also here a break tag, we need a button to hit. Button I'm going to type button type submit. I'm going to name it name also submit. I'm going to give it a value is also submit and between the button I'm going to put here equal sign so that we can calculate it. Let's go to browser again, refresh it, and here is input field, operator, and another input field. I'm putting here 2 and select plus and another field 3, calculate. Nothing happened because we don't use PSP till now. Okay, now we have to set a field where to show our output. Okay, inside this section field, here is a SC tag. I'm going to write a simple calculator. To show at the top of the calculator, simple calculator, you can write anything else. And our output field is here. In output field, I'm going to take a div so that I can use CSS and HTML coding here. Okay, now div, I take a div, and also I'm gonna give a name of it. Its name is display field. Display field. Between the div tag, our PHP code, between div tag we are going to write our PHP code. So start PHP. PAHP if function is set. I mean, if our button is hit again, we put here $sign underscore get. You also can use here the submit post method. Both are almost same, but I'm going to use here get message. Okay, what to get? We will get, if submit button is hit, we will get the value from the submit button, submit, single quote, submit, and what will be executed. Okay, I'm going to take a variable here. Its name is result 1. My variable name is result 1, and it produces again number field 1, result from number field 1. Within single quote I put here number field 1, I mean number 1, and I'll copy it one more time, and another result is result 2, and it will take the value from number 2, and the last one is operator value operator, and here we'll take the action from operator name operator. Okay, now switch. Operator, and we are going to here display what is the code will display in echo method. We have to write at first case plus, I mean if plus sign is selected, then echo will result echo plus sign result will be equal plus result 1 and result 2. Result 1 plus result 2. Okay, I'm going to copy it again here. Okay, if in case of minus sign, we're going to subtract result from result 1, result 2 from result 1. Again, in case of multiplier, we are going to multiply result 1 and result 2, and in case of divide, and we use the function divide result 1 and result 2. Okay, now going to browser, refreshing it, we see here simple calculator, number field 1, operator, number field 2, and plus equal sign. So we am going to use some CSS here. Going to use CSS just before the body tag. I'm going to take a style. Between style tag, we are going to use some CSS. At first, for ID calculator, widget. ID calculator widget. Small c is better. And put hash sign. My keyboard is not okay. Hash sign defined as a ID. Okay. As the video will be very long, so I am going to pause the recording, and after coding all tasks I will continue again. Okay. Body, for body we used to padding 0, margin 0, body and calculator widget. We use here width 250 pixel, padding, margin, text alignment, color, font family, border, etc, etc. And we use here two color in the top part and bottom part. For top part we use before method, and for bottom part we use after method in calculator. And for heading h3, this is the style, and for display field this is the style, and this form field and input field, select field, and button field style here. Okay, after saving we are going to open it in refresh. Okay, your calculator is ready, but I'm going to do a function with this calculator 2 and 3 equal, but nothing happened. Why? Because we made index.html file. This is not actually PHP. Okay, if we want to execute PHP codes in our browser or local host or local server, we must convert it to HTML to PHP. Okay, I am going to change the name extension HTML to PHP. Okay. Yes. Okay. We know that HTML file should be executed in local server or live server. Here I'm going to use local server. This is why I write in the input field local host. There is some error also here. Okay, I'm going to see I made some mistake here. I have to use here underscore. Okay. Okay. Look at here. I forget to put semicolon here. Okay. Every PHP statement must contain semicolon at the end. Otherwise, it won't execute it. Okay. Let's see our work. Refresh. localhost. Oh, okay. This is our calculator. Now we will calculate 222 plus. It's not working. Oh, it's not working. I have to look at again. Where is the fault was? Submit num1 num2. Oh, here. I don't put here. I didn't put here num2. I think this is the last mistake I made. Okay, then save, and I'm going to open the browser. What to say? Again, I put here number 2 plus and number 6 or 4. 2 and 4 made 6. My calculator is not working, and 2 multiplying 3 equal again 6. 5 divided 2 equal to 5. Okay, fine. My calculator is still working. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment. And my speaking English is very weak, so this don't get hurt with my English. Thank you.